Do you know that you can actually start out your content creation journey without actually breaking a bank, without having to spend millions of money on buying equipment? If you're new to YouTube, or if you're new to content creation, or you're about to start your journey of content creation, this video is definitely for you, because I'll be showing you or sharing with you 5 essential tools or gadgets, equipment that will help you to record your videos without actually spending millions of money. Okay, right now, the first thing you need a camera. You need a camera. Now, it does not have to be like an expensive camera, like Canon camera or all those the whatever. Your phone can serve as the camera. All you just need is the camera lens. You have an Android, you have an iPhone. Please make use of your phone camera and record your video. Right now, I'm recording this video with my phone. So far you have a good phone and the camera is okay, the quality is good, use it to record your videos. If you have iPhone, preferably, because iPhone cameras are actually clearer, so keep that extra. Use your phone to record first. Okay. Second thing you also need is a good audio quality. Audio quality in the sense that you have to be audible. People need to hear you. Now, I know they will always ask you to use a microphone, which is good, it's recommended, because it helps your audio quality, your video to come out well, nice. There are different kinds of microphones you can use, like if it's the wireless, which is even preferred, which you can paint your shirt or hold on your hand and record your video. If you use the wire, the one that has wire, it's going to restrict you, because you have to stay within close range from where you're sitting to where the phone is connected, which is not even nice. But in the absence of that, what do you do? If you don't have money to buy this microphone, what do you do? The best thing you can do at this point is to use your normal voice, your natural voice. Yes, right now I'm recording this video with my voice, no microphone on, no mic attached to anywhere. I'm not holding anything. See me? No microphone around me, but at least I'm audible enough. But the good thing here that if you must record without a microphone, make sure that you're recording in a quiet environment. No generators are on, nobody is shouting. Even people are shouting, let them shout from a distance, because right now I believe that people are shouting from the next compound, but it is not interrupting whatever it is I'm even saying. If the background is noisy, it will affect the video, because people will now be trying to figure out what to listen to, that they should listen to your voice or the background noise. So if you know that your background is not that quiet, please find a way to get a microphone. Now, the third thing you need is you need lights. You need lights. Now, I know they always ask you to get a ring light and all of those things. I mean, even maybe studio lights and all of that. But what if you don't have the money? Not everybody can afford this, especially as a new creator, that you're even still struggling with your camera, your phone camera, and now they're asking to go and get ring lights. That is how much? Now, if you don't have a ring light, that's cool. Right now, I'm recording this video with natural light. I'm sitting in my room, backing my wall, and sitting very close to the window. Natural lighting is even better than ring lights. I feel ring lights comes in play maybe when you're recording in a dark place, or at night, or when the weather is not so bright. So if you don't have a ring light, it's fine. You can use the natural lighting to record videos. So if you must use natural light to record, please make sure that you're sitting close to the window, close where that light is coming from. You can decide to even sit outside and record your videos. You can record during the day, or maybe when the weather is bright. Please don't record at all. Wait till when the weather is bright enough, or you use a ring light. At the time I'm recording this video, this is around 5 in the evening. I'm not going to lie to you, and this video would have even been clearer and brighter if I'm recording around that kind 9, 10, 11 in the morning. But it is what it is. The next thing you also need, you need a tripod. A tripod in the sense that you need your phone to be at a particular place. You don't need your phone to be shaking when you're recording, and if your phone is shaking, it's affecting the video quality. The video too will also be dangling and shaking because the phone is not steady. Now, if you don't have money to buy a tripod, what do? Won't you record video again? There are other DIY products you can actually use to replace tripod. This video, I'm not going to lie, this video I'm not recording it with a tripod. I don't want to tell you what I'm using to record this video. I am not gonna tell you that, but just like the phone is in a static position with something supporting it. Something supporting it and it's standing, so this is serving as my tripod as I'm recording this particular video now. Which I also tell you, you don't have anything, nothing is a barrier right now for you. You don't have any excuse. Now the fifth thing that you need a nice background. I talked about this in my previous video. I know they always say you have to find a fine background. I said nice. I did not say fine. It doesn't have to be fine, aesthetic, or decorated with studio lighting and all of those things. If you don't want those studio lighting, won't you record video again? Just like me now, I'm sitting in my room, close to my bed, close to the window, recording my video with my phone camera in front of me. And now, what is stopping you from recording your videos? What is your excuse right now? This sixth one is very important. You need editing tool, editing software. Because after recording this video that you're recording now, how do you edit the video to upload on YouTube? Where do you start from? Now, so far you have your phone, you can still edit your video. Yes. That same phone you use in recording this video, the same phone you're going to use in editing the video. All you need is an editing app. And we have different editing apps. We have CapCut, we have InShot, we have Viva, and we have other editing apps that will help you to edit your videos. I hope I made myself very clear. Very, very important. Now, this brings us to the end of this particular video. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you're gonna whenever I make new videos. I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye.